Again?
It's going now. Yep.
Okay, we got a 14 by 36 2R universal grinder here, Landis. And we're going to turn the hydraulic on. Got to hold that in for a little bit until it gets pressure up. The table's going back and forth. It has a work head here. It's the rotation of the work head there. It has a live center in here and a dead center for a pipe on this end here. This has a spring-loaded clamp on for quick pulling parts in and out. And a variable speed on it here. Run the speed way down to almost zero. It's all the way right there. It has a diamond truing bracket here. Grinding spindle is going there now. It has a ratchet feed going right now also. The ratchet feed is left and right, so both that, when it hits both sides of the travel, the table, it ratchets. It has a switch on it here to switch it from left and right. Also down below down here you got this switch right here. Switch it to right and left here. And switch it to left. And only ratchet on the left hand side. And it's the left hand travel, see? Right. There on the left hand side. Also, it has an internal grinding spindle on it. I'm going to turn off the the internal grinding spindle there. The stone on it, it's got a little chip out of it, so it needs a new stone. It has a coolant set up for that also. Another thing the machine has here is it has a rapid traverse for the feed. It's forward. It's got wheel head positioning, it's called. Backward. Saves a lot of hand cranking to move that thing there. And that's basically it here. I don't know. You got the speed rate here. I can run the traverse up the table and go back and forth pretty fast. It's hardly ever run that fast, but a one-shot loop for the head. This is for the head in and out ways here. The ways that the spindle head runs in and out on. Shut this off. Show you that this, it's got slow feed right here, gear feed. And you pull this out and you got fast gear feed. So you got two-speed manual traverse of the table. The coolant pump is running right now. You can hardly hear it. This motor here is running right now. It's the spindle oil pump. It's got all new filters on it here. There's other filters around the back side. Oil filters on the back here. You can show the gauges here are in the green area there. It's got two new filters down there for the weight oil. And safety switch here. If oil pressure gets too low, it'll shut off and automatically shut the machine off on it.
All right. Okay.